well. But Reema, you want to take that discussion forward that Nimesh had on the tariff situation in the telecom space and how there could be a lot of competition kicking through?
Absolutely. So Nimesh said one of the reasons for the Bharti downgrade is perhaps that the street is not going to be seeing the tariff increases that they are hoping for. And that's the big elephant in the room when it comes to the telecom space. Are we going to see tariff hikes in 2023? And here JPMorgan believes we are not going to have any tariff increase by the telecom operators in this calendar year. They're saying it will be difficult for the companies to do another tariff hike because the last tariff hike, which took place in December of 2019 or 2020, 2 years back, had resulted in a lot of churn for the telecom operators. So they're saying that right now, the focus of the telecom operators is to make sure that they have the 5G rollout, they're aggressive on the 5G rollout, they get that early mover advantage, which is why the companies right now at least are not going to be looking at a tariff increase. They're saying they don't even expect premium pricing for 5G right now. Right now, it's only Bharti and Reliance Jio which have launched their 5G operations in select circles, and here only they're offering 5G at the same price of 4G. And they're saying, JPMorgan believes that till there is a critical mass adoption of 5G, we're not going to be having premium pricing for 5G. So that's what their expectation is. That contrary to street expectation, there is going to be no tariff hike by the telcos, Bharti as well as Reliance Jio in 2023, because these companies are focused on their 5G rollout. And even for the existing 5G subscribers or the 5G subscribers who onboard through the course of the year, the companies are unlikely to charge premium pricing because the telcos will wait for a critical mass adoption. And they're saying that if a tariff hike doesn't come through in the next 6 months, the street is going to be very disappointed. Their waiting period, their patience will run out, and we are likely to see downgrades for the telecom space, especially Bharti Airtel. If we do see a tariff hike, according to them, the quantum, the extent of the tariff increase will remain a bit uncertain.
All right, Reema, thanks a lot for getting us all of those details from the JPMorgan note on the telecom space as well as the tariff hikes. But the next space that we're looking at is the steel stocks, because steel companies are in focus after JPMorgan, in its latest note, believes that more price hikes are on the way. So Nigel is here to fill us in with the fine print. Nigel.
Well, that's right.